Hello, I am Mayank. Welcome to a submission for the Salesforce Agentforce Hackathon 2025. We are excited to introduce you towards the TwinForce, your AI onboarding agent. Now I hand over to my partner Ishi.
Hi, I'm Ishi. I'm a software engineer working for client eBay. And here I would be describing the problem statement. So, starting a new job is often overwhelming. Industry research highlights the significant challenges. It can take up to like 8 to 12 months for a new hire to reach the full productivity. Poor onboarding contributes significantly to this. Like almost it has been found like 12% of the employees strongly agree their organization does a great job of onboarding. New hires are flooded with docs, unsure who to ask the basic questions like where's the VPN setup, and the manager often lack the bandwidth for the personalized guidance for every new team member, especially in the fast growing teams. This friction doesn't just slow or ramp up time, it impacts the retention, with studies suggest up to 20% of turnover happens in the first 45 days, often linked to poor onboarding experience, and it hurts the engagement and the bottom line.
The TwinForce tackles these challenges head on. Think of it as an AI powered onboarding buddy available 24/7, acting like the smartest, most patient teammate right within the flow of the work. It proactively guides new hires inside Slack, delivering daily task checklists like complete HR paperwork, schedule intro with your mentor, or instantly answering frequently asked questions like when are the company holidays and how do I submit expenses. All this is powered by the intelligence of Salesforce Agentforce, aiming to slash the ramp up time, boost confidence, and free up manager and buddy time for higher value interactions.
So, how it works? It starts with a simple slash command on the Slack. This message hits our secure Node.js backend, and the backend then orchestrates the interaction with the Salesforce Einstein bot. That's where the core onboarding workflow logic and the conversational intelligence live. Crucially, we also leverage the Salesforce Data Cloud and retrieval augmented generation RAG layer. This means when a new hire asks a specific question like what are the key Q1 objectives for the marketing team, the RAG layer can retrieve the most current information directly from the linked knowledge base articles or documents, ensuring the answer is accurate, relevant, and highly personalized rather than generic.
So let's jump into the system architecture. This architecture visually represents the flow Ishi just described. You see Slack initiating the command, hitting a backend API endpoint. The backend then securely invokes Salesforce Agentforce, especially the Einstein bot, to handle the conversation logic and workflow. The RAG layer interacts with a mock knowledge base representing sources like Confluence, Google Drive, or Salesforce Knowledge to pull the document grounded responses, ensuring accuracy and context.
So let's see like how does this Slack agent force flow works. This flow makes it scalable and we can swap in different onboarding content as per the department, whether it's HR, sales, engineering, without changing the core system. My next slide.
Okay, let's see it in action. Here are the welcome message a user receives when they first run /twinforce. Notice it immediately provides actionable value, a clear checklist for day one. They can also ask things like, what's a PTO policy and where can I find the latest all hands recording? TwinForce provides instant answers, reducing the initial anxiety and the need for constantly interrupting colleagues for basic information.
So this is how the Slack slash command looks. This is the UI. This interaction is triggered using the native Slack slash command, which is the slash sprint force. And by integrating directly with the Slack API, we provide a completely seamless experience. Users stay within the tool, they likely use most throughout their day, and we have focused on building a smooth, intuitive UI using the Slack's block it elements, making it feel like interacting with the external system and more like chatting with helpful, knowledgeable, and a virtual teammate.
A backend, which acts as a secure intermediary, runs reliably on Render, a cloud platform ideal for deploying web services. It builds with the popular Node.js framework, Express.js. These logs shows a snippet or screenshot demonstrate the backend successfully receiving the events from Slack and securely relaying the necessary information to Salesforce Agentforce via API calls and handling authentication and data transfer.
So, what's next? As you may know, like if we had more time, we would be using the bot to train the bot using the team, conference, docs, and architecture. We are also planning to provide all the necessary related system design diagrams or anything which a new hire should know about the team, all those necessary docs and the multilingual support, along with the sentiment analysis and the ramp up tracking.
So thanks for taking time to review the TwinForce. I believe we believe that the AI-powered tools like this can significantly improve the critical knowledge phase for new employees and their teams. We hope it inspires better onboarding across teams.
You can explore the further via the links on our dev post submission, including the live backend endpoint, our complete GitHub repository, and a full video walkthrough and what we can do next. We are excited about the potential to help companies onboard smarter, faster, and more effectively. Let's onboard smarter together.
Thank you.